So guys, now our sixth point. This is also about bills of exchange. Note down this point, guys.
एक मिनट हाँ ठीक है फिर ऑफिस में बात करता हूँ हाँ नहीं करते
लिखा लिखा गाइस आप लोगों ने ये, आप सबने। आई एम आस्किंग गाइस, हैव यू ऑल
Yes,
नोटेड
sir.
डाउन दिस पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now guys, a bill of exchange, I hope you all understood that day. So in bill of exchange, one more thing may happen because of this. Because of this, there may be cash book and passbook difference, cash book and bank statement difference. That point only I have written it here, guys. I'm explaining it to you now. This point is from the context of the buyer, not from the context of the seller. This point was from the context of the seller. Seller has made a bill of exchange on the buyer and later discounted that bill with his bank so that he could get early payment. Right? Now, from buyer's point of view, we have this particular reason, guys. So, suppose I am a buyer and the goods that I have purchased from the seller, that seller has made a bill of exchange on me and has get the bill signed from me. It means on the due date I have to pay to the seller. Now I know that on the due date I have to pay a certain amount to the seller. Instead of me paying it, I can instruct my bank to make the payment to the seller whenever there is adequate balance in my account. Are you understanding what I'm saying, guys? All?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking all
Sir,
guys.
can you repeat?
Aditya, both
Can you
both
repeat?
Yash.
Can you repeat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, guys, the buyer's bank makes the payment before the due date of the bill at a discount. Why at a discount? Because the bank is making the payment before the due date. So before 1 month only, the buyer's bank is making payment to the seller, and for that, bank has demanded some discount from the seller, and seller has given the discount also. This entire process is called retirement of bill at a discount.
ठीक ठीक नहीं नहीं हुए दोनों ही नहीं हुए ठीक हाँ अरे भाई, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो ना मुझे ठीक और बात नहीं वो बोले कि अभी तो आपसे मैंने बात करी है तो वो बोले कि अभी तो फिर कस्टमर को बोले अगर आपके पास रिफंड आ जाता है तो फिर मैं आ जाऊंगा वापस आपके पास फिर पेमेंट लेने
हम्म
है ना
हम्म तो आपका नंबर दे दो मुझे।
सर मुझे यही रहता हूँ पास में
नहीं नहीं, पर
हाँ
मैं यहाँ नहीं रहता हमेशा।
अच्छा ऐसा
हाँ
83198
हाँ
60
हम्म
170 गजेंद्र चौहान
ठीक। मेरे पास दोनों आ गए
आप
ना रिफंड।
एक रिंग भी कर दीजिए मुझको भी अमेजोन कर हाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं
मेरे पास जैसे ही दोनों रिफंड आएगा वो दे दिला दूंगा।
हम्म तो अब नहीं होगा तो फिर मुझको वो कर लेंगे
ठीक है।
हाँ
220 लास्ट में।
हाँ फिर नहीं होगा तो उसको देखते हैं जब इसलिए वो यहाँ पे अरे बहुत सी जैसे अपन आपके मोबाइल में जैसे अभी ये कौन सी बैंक है बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा है
एक्सिस बैंक है।
एक्सिस बैंक है कोई कोई ऐसे बारकोड से करते हैं ना होते नहीं शायद
नहीं नहीं, हो जाता है एक्सिस बैंक से। मैं आप आपके सामने ये देखो ना, ये जो मैंने पेमेंट दिखाया ना आपको, ये सारे मेरा क्या मेरा डेबिट कार्ड गुम गया है,
अच्छा
तो मैं कैश निकाल नहीं पाता अकाउंट से। तो ये सारे इतने पेमेंट दिख रहे हैं आपको,
हम्म
ये सब इसी चीज के हैं।
तो
ये देखो
अभी
आप, ये यूपीआई यूपीआई, ये यूपीआई,
हम्म
फिर ये यूपीआई, ये सब ऐसे ही कर रहा हूँ मैं,
तो
सब हो
फिर
रहे हैं
अभी
आराम से।
आपको फिर अगर आ जाएगा तो क्या उसमें मैसेज आएगा क्या आएगा
ये क्रेडिट आ जाएगा वापस, ऐसे नहीं आएगा। जैसे ये गया है ना,
हाँ
जैसे देखो आया पैसा तो ग्रीन में है,
हाँ वो तो
ग्रीन में आ
मालूम है
जाएगा, बस 2 बार खत्म बात। तो जैसे ही आ जाएगा मैं आपको फोन कर दूंगा, आप निश्चिंत रहो।
नहीं तो जैसे अभी ये तो नहीं दिखता कि आपके पास बैलेंस कितना है सब
बैलेंस दिख रहा है ना, 15,500 ये दिख रहा है।
अच्छा आपके पास ही है, अभी
हाँ
ये खत्म हुआ तो
हाँ
ठीक
ठीक।
चेक वालों को हमें सवाल थे
So guys, now you can go through it and can understand everything with an adequate example. I have explained this point, guys.
ये दोनों संभाल के रखते हैं ना
हाँ हाँ
ठीक ये वाली
ठीक है। I hope guys you all are writing this right. Ashutosh, Hunar, Manvi, Priyan, Shubhi, and Yash.
Yes, sir.
Right. Go through this and then sorry, note down this. Go through this and tell me whether you have any doubt or not. Done, guys. Have you all noted down this? Next point, guys, is collection of incomes like rent, interest, dividend, etc. by bank on behalf of its customers or behalf of the business. Now, what happens, guys? Suppose sometimes that a business may also instruct its bank to collect rent, interest, dividend, and other income like commission from customers of the business or from parties of the business directly. As per the instruction, bank keeps on collecting these incomes on the due date from customers or from parties of the business and keeps creating it in bank account. However, business itself forgets about collection of such incomes. And because of that, in cash book, the balance would be lesser than what it would be in the bank statement. Have you understood this, guys, or not?
Yes, sir.
Note down this also, guys, this point. I'm asking, guys, have you all noted down this point number 7?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not due to the errors that accountant of a business commits in the cash book, there may be difference in cash book and passbook balance, cash book and bank statement balance because of the errors committed in the cash book, like business has received money, but instead of debiting cash book, it is created. And which column in cash book? Bank column. That is recording a receipt on payment side of the cash book or vice versa. I hope guys you all are understanding this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
There's the other mistake. Instead of recording a receipt or payment in bank column of the cash book, it is recorded in cash column of the cash book. Incorrect casting or balancing. You know what is casting? Casting means totaling. So at the end of every month, we have to do the totaling of both the sides of the bank column in the cash book so that we could know the balance of bank. So either that goes incorrect or balancing at the end goes incorrect. Business has received checks. It was recorded correctly in the debit or receipt side of the cash book in the bank column, but business omitted, that is, forgot to bank, that is, deposited. So in cash book, the balance would be more, but in bank statement, balance would be less. I hope, guys, you all are understanding this, right or not? And the last one, guys, the last reason is errors committed by bank, like giving wrong credit, or sum to be created to some other account but is created to the business account. Means some other business collection is created to our business account mistakenly by bank, or giving wrong debit. So guys, these are various reasons because of which cash book balance and bank statement balance, that is passbook balance, may be different from each other. Example, how in reality accountant of a business makes bank reconciliation statement, right? Guys, please do not note down anything. Aryan, keep your mic mute, please. You all can see this, guys, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, you can start making the cash book, all of you. So, guys, have you all made this, the cash book?
Yes.
Guys, make this also fast, everyone. That is why the accountant needs to sit with the bank statement also. This process he would be doing usually on 1st September 2023. That is the very next day of when the August month got over. So on 1st September morning, he will get the bank statement and he will sit with his cash book and will start matching the common transactions which are there in cash book as well as in bank statement. This next second transaction is of 7th August, payment of 12,000 to Babita traders, and that got cleared on 10th August in bank. So he will take them also. Have you got me, guys, or not? All. The next is of
Yes, sir.
12th August, that is the receipt from Sunita traders, which ultimately got created in bank on 14th August. Here on 14th August. So this also he will record. You also know, guys, that whatsoever is debited in bank column in cash book, the same gets created in bank statement. And whatsoever is created in cash book, the same gets debited in the bank statement. Right? After that, the next transaction is of 16th August. Since it is cash deposit, obviously it will get clear in the bank same day because it does not require any clearing. So on 16th August, we have cash deposit of 16,000. That also would be ticked by the accountant as I am doing it here. Then 20th August, check of 6,000 rupees issued to ABC Limited. It means it must be here in this column, but this check of 6,000 is nowhere. So this will remain unticked. After that, 25th August, payment of electricity bill, rupees 3,000, which got cleared on 27th August. So he will mark or he will tick them also. Then on 25th August, there is collection of rent, 4,000, which got cleared on 28th August. That also would be marked. Then on 29th August, receipt of check from Anush Traders, 6,000, which got cleared on 31st August. This also would be marked. And after that, the two transactions which are there in the cash book on bank column on the debit side of 30th August and 31st August, and the three payments of 30th and 31st August of purchase wages, sorry, two payments, they are not here anywhere. So these are the common transactions that we have already ticked. Have you understood, guys, this much or not? All.
Yes, sir.
Now, the accountant will see which are the unticked transactions. So, unticked transactions are these two here, this one here of bank charges, of cash, and of bill dishonored. With the unticked transactions, only he will make his bank reconciliation. Why? Because the bank balance as per cash book, which is rupees 24,000 debit on 31st August 2023, and bank balance as per bank statement, which is rupees 18,000 on 31st August 2023, are mismatching, and they are mismatching because of the unticked transactions only. And unticked transactions in cash book are two here, one here of ABC Limited, and two here. Here we have five transactions, and here we have three transactions, which are unticked. And with this, he will make his bank reconciliation statement. Have you got me, guys, or not?
Yes,
I am asking all guys. Have you all understood this?
Yes, sir.
Good. And this is the format of bank reconciliation for academic purpose, guys. plus items and minus items. And here particulars. Right, guys, all? Now, listen to me carefully, guys. I'm explaining you how to make bank reconciliation statement. In questions that you'd be solving, you would not be given cash book nor the bank statement. This I have made only to make you understand how bank reconciliation actually is made. Rather, you would be given simply the information of the transactions which are not matching, which are not common in the two sources, that is in cash book and in bank statement. That information would be given to you in questions, right? So ultimately, there is difference in balance of bank as per cash book and as per passbook. And he has to reconcile the two balances, means he has to make a bridge. The accountant has to make a bridge between these two balances for which he can start from any of the balance. He can either start from cash book balance and then go towards bank statement balance, or he can start from bank statement balance and then go towards cash book balance. That is up to him. I will show you both here, guys. I hope you people are not writing anything, guys. Right? Now, one more thing we should understand, that debit balance of bank in cash book is favorable balance. That is a plus item. Debit balance of bank in cash book means the business has right to recover money from the bank. Since it has right, that is why it is a favorable balance of plus item. And credit balance of bank in cash book is unfavorable balance. Because if there is credit balance in cash book of bank, it means that much of amount we have to pay to the bank. We are liable to pay to the bank. Means it's a loan. That is minus item for the business. Or credit balance of bank in bank statement is also favorable balance, because when bank says that there is credit balance, it means for bank the business is a creditor. Means the business has right to recover money from the bank. And in case there is debit balance of bank in bank statement, it means it is unfavorable balance, because in that case the business becomes a debtor for the bank. It means the business is liable to pay to the bank, and it would be a minus item. Have you understood this much, guys, or not? Look at it
Yes,
and
sir.
tell me, guys. I'm asking all, guys. I think everyone is present in the class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Since the balance here is debit balance and we want to start from this balance, what we'll write here is debit or favorable balance as per cash book. Since it is favorable, it would be written in the plus item, and that is how much? 24,000 rupees. That is this one. This balance would also be given to us, guys, in questions. So this I have written here. Have you understood, guys, or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, accountant since has already understood the transactions because of which there is difference in cash book and bank statement balance, he will classify those transactions. Like these two transactions are of receipt of checks which have been deposited into bank but which have not got cleared yet. till 31st August, these two checks have not come in our bank in deposit side. So this is called, it is because of time gap. Checks deposited but not cleared or credited. Were not cleared or credited in bank. Am I clear or not, guys? And that is of 20,000 rupees. 9 plus 11, 20. You can write that information also here. 9 plus 11. Am I clear, guys, or not? Now we have to decide where this 20,000 should be written, in plus item or in minus item. And this is the most important thing one must know to prepare BRS, to prepare bank reconciliation statement. So how to decide whether an item of difference, that is whether an uncommon item, uncommon means either it is there in cash book but not in bank statement, or it is in bank statement but not in cash book. That is called uncommon. The common ones we have already marked, we have already ticked. So with uncommon ones only we have to make BRS, because those are the reasons why the two balances are different from each other. Correct or not? All? I'm asking, guys.
Yes, sir.
Guys, is there only one or two in the class and others are sleeping or what? Are they not active? Ashutosh, Shubhi, Priyansh, I did not hear you in this session at all.
I am here only, sir.
Okay, but I did not hear you. Others, Ashutosh.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now we have to decide where these two items will go, whether they will go in plus item, means plus column, or in minus column. Now listen to me carefully, guys. Because of this 20,000, there is difference in cash book and passbook balance. This is one of the reasons why cash book balance and bank statement balance are different. Bank statement or passbook is one and same thing, guys. You all understand this, right? So, what decides whether this 20,000 will go in plus column or in minus column is the balance towards which we are moving. In this BRS, we have started from cash book balance and we are moving towards bank statement balance. So the balance towards which we are moving, that will decide whether this item will go in plus column or in minus column. How? Let's understand. This check has not got cleared in bank. These checks have not got cleared in bank. Had they got cleared in bank, in our bank the balance would have been more or less. I'm asking, guys.
More.
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 But now
More.
we know that they have not got cleared or created in bank. It means in bank the balance is less. Means in bank statement the balance is less. It is less, and because of that, this 20,000 rupees will come in minus column. So here we will write 20,000 in minus column. So what we did, guys, we first found out the reason for difference. We found the two checks which we have deposited but have not got cleared or created in bank. We are moving towards bank statement balance only. In bank statement, they have not got cleared, and because of that, in bank statement, the balance is less than the cash book balance. Since it is less, we will write it this in minus column. Am I clear, guys, or not? I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good,
Right.
Sir,
good.
but
Yes, sir.
the 20,000 are our income, so can we do it in plus item? Can
No, no. We are not doing, see, we are not doing anything in our ledger or in our books of accounts at all. Understand this, guys. BRS is a entirely different statement. It has nothing to do with journal or cash book or ledger. We are not increasing or decreasing income anywhere. Income we have already increased here. We debited our bank column, that is cash book, and created Vikas Traders and created sales account. That we have already done. So we do not need to do that again. We are simply making a separate statement to know why there is a difference and to make a bridge between the two balances. Have you understood it, Aryan, now?
Yes, sir.
Right. इनकम हम ऑलरेडी क्रेडिट कर चुके हैं. क्रेडिट किया इसलिए तो ये बैंक बुक में हमारे कैश बुक में आ रहा है हमारे. अगर हमने क्रेडिट नहीं किया होता तो हमारे कैश बुक में कैसे आता है ये? Right? Now, guys, the other reason for difference. The two checks that we issued, but they have not been presented yet or they have not been debited in our bank yet. 5,000 और 4,000 का चेक हमें विड्रॉल साइड में कहीं पे भी नहीं दिख रहा है. इसको हम कहते हैं checks issued but not debited or presented. Where in bank? And the total of that is 5 plus 4, that is 9,000. Now we have to decide where this 9,000 will go, in plus column and minus column. They have not been presented in bank. Had they been presented in bank, in our bank statement, balance would have been less. Since they have not been presented in bank statement, balance is more. And because of that, this 9,000 will come in plus column. Have you understood this, guys, or not? I'm asking all.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Everyone, right? So we have taken care of these four unticked items. Okay, there was one more, guys. 6,000 is also not there in withdrawal column anywhere. So this 6 also I'm adding here. So 6 plus 5 plus 4, that is 15,000. Right? So as far as the items which remained unticked in cash book, that have well been taken care of. Now the items of bank statement or passbook. Here there is cash deposit and we have not done it. Had we done it, this would have been reflected in our cash book. It means our customer has done it, guys. So what do we call it? Direct deposit by a customer. So here we will write direct deposit by a customer. And the amount is 4,000. It has been deposited in bank statement, and because of that, in bank statement towards which we are moving in this bank reconciliation statement, the balance is more. I repeat, because of this direct deposit in our bank statement, the balance is more by 4,000, and that is why, since it is more, that is why it will come in plus column. Have you understood, guys, all the 3 points or any doubt you have in your minds? I'm asking all, guys.
No, sir.
No, you have no doubt or you have not understood anything.
सर
Guys, I'm
डायरेक्ट
asking all.
डिपॉजिट का फिर से बताइए.
डायरेक्ट डिपॉजिट कस्टमर ने किया है जो हमें बैंक स्टेटमेंट में दिख रहा है. हम अभी इस बीआरएस में किस तरफ जा रहे हैं, कहां से कहां जा रहे हैं?
कैश बुक से
कैश बुक
बैंक
से
डिटेल.
पासबुक की तरफ या कैश बुक से बैंक स्टेटमेंट की तरफ. तो बैंक स्टेटमेंट में बैलेंस इसकी वजह से क्या है, ज्यादा है, इसलिए हमने इसको प्लस वाले कॉलम में लिया है. क्लियर आर्यन नाउ?
यस सर.
Okay, next is bank charges 250 and bill dishonored. These two are of different types, so we will write in separately in our BRS. बैंक ने चार्जेस लगाया, हमको नहीं पता था, इसलिए हमने अपने कैश बुक में इसको रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया है. So now we will record here. So we'll write here bank charges. How much? 250. These charges have been debited by bank in our bank statement. Because of that, in bank statement the balance is less, and because of that it will come in minus column. Why? Because we are moving towards bank statement balance starting from cash book balance, right? And the last one is bill dishonored, which is also there on the withdrawal side of bank statement. इसका मतलब है bill discounted earlier got dishonored. And because of this 4750 also in our bank statement, the balance is less. We are moving towards bank statement balance. That is why this item will also come in minus side. So with this, guys, we have taken all those items which were uncommon among the two sources, that is cash book and bank statement, in our BRS. So now we can close our BRS, and for that we take total of both the sides. So here it is 39 and 4, 43,000, and here it is 24, 25,000. Right? Now at the end we take the total, which is the higher one. So out of 43 and 25, 43 is higher. So 43 we will write on both the sides. And here we will write balance as per bank statement. The difference of these two. So here we have to write 18 so that this side also becomes equal to 43. 43 minus 25 is 18,000. As we do, guys, while preparing ledger, the same thing I'm doing. Now this 18,000 balance, though we have written on the minus side, but we have written it on the minus side because plus side was more than the minus side. It means this 18,000 is reflecting plus side. It is reflecting plus side. It means it is favorable balance. Favorable balance as per bank statement means credit balance. So credit or favorable balance as per bank statement is 18,000, and that is what is the case here, guys. Have you all understood this, guys, now or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone, guys?
Yes,